Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Classy Traders. Today I have two stocks for intraday which you can trade tomorrow. The first one is Bajaj Paints. So if you can see, the Bajaj Paints has taken a bounce back from its support. So this was the previous support for the Bajaj Paint around 630 640 level. Now it has taken the support, and today, as you might be knowing, that the Nifty has taken a fall of minus 1.2%, near about 200 or 300, or near about 200 points. Now, but even the stock, even the index was falling, even the Nifty was falling, the stock was able to manage at the resistance level, which is around 700. I will just draw a line for you so that you can understand it better. Now previously the 700 level was a support for this. Now it has become a resistance. As you might be knowing that the whatever the support previously was a support for the stock will become resistance when the stock break down that particular support. Now the stock is trying to come up that support. I will just take you to the smaller time frame chart, that is 1 hour. If you can see that the stock is trying to consolidate near its resistance of 700, right? Even if the market was falling today, the stock has not even given the movement or not shown the downfall. So I have selected this stock for the buy side for tomorrow's intraday, but the condition is that the Nifty should be in the buy side, not the sell side. The Nifty also should be on the buy side. If the Nifty is on the buy side, then definitely you can make a position in this stock above 702, that is today's high, and not immediately when, suppose if the stock is opening here and it is crossing 702. It is not like that. If you want to make money intraday, you need to be have a little bit patience. Let 5 minutes, if you are watching 5-minute chart, or if you are watching the 15-minute chart, let one of the candle close above the 702, then you can make a position above that candle's high, whatever has closed above 702. So we will buy the stock above 702 with the stop loss below 694 level. So this was one of the stock. Now the other stock is SRF Limited. Now to understand the analysis, please watch the video till the end. The other stock is SRF. I will just take you to the 1-day chart. If you can see, there is a minute resistance here around 2430 or 2450 level. The stock was just consolidating below this level, and finally yesterday it has breakout, but it was not able to sustain there. Now today the stock has reached near its resistance. I will take you to the hourly chart, which will be very clear. Now if you can see that the stock is near its resistance and close near the resistance level. So once the stock gets tomorrow, once the market gets open tomorrow, now the condition is Nifty should be in the green. Whenever you are taking the position in intraday for the buy side, Nifty should always be in the green whenever you are making the buy position. That means follow the trend so that you will be on the safer side. You will not lose much of the money, but you will be on the safer side if the Nifty is on the buy side whenever you are making the buy position, and sell position only when the Nifty is in the sell side, like today we have minus 1% or minus 2%, that is. So I have drawn the line for you. So the resistance is around 24124, around 2431. So we will make the position above this level, 2432, 2433. I mean, you can buy it above 2431, and the stop loss you can place is below 2400. Below 2400, this is a quite volatile stock, so you need to keep the stop loss quite far away, bit far away. So below this you can place the stop loss below 2400. Now the another condition is, if the stock gets open up, I mean if the stock gives a gap of opening, suppose if the stock opens around 2450, 2470, don't make any position. Even if you don't get the chance, please don't make it, because the buyers might not be interested, or they might be interested to push the price from where it gets open, or the people whoever has made the position here and thinking that it is a gap up and it is a end of the journey for the end of the rally for this particular rally, they might also book. So the stock might cover the gap. So the stock might cover the gap whichever it has made during opening. So if the stock gets gap up opening, please don't make the position. We will having a number of stocks which will be moving for the day, so you can avoid this particular stock if it is a gap up. If it is opening near this position, or if it is opening near its closing, and if it is breaking from the below, then that might be a good consideration, that thing you can take into consideration and make a position in it. So these are the two stocks, Bajaj Paints and SRF. Keep in a watch list, learn, and please also like the video. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.